Hello, this is the first in a series of posts by the Piano Teachers Course tutors on how to improve your own or your pupils' sight reading. So this first one is about prioritizing the pulse. If you have any doubt in your mind at all about whether the pulse is the most important thing, then listen to these two examples of a well-known Chopin prelude. Here I am, pretending to sight read the first way. And so on. You've got the point. Here's the second way. And so on. Now, which to you was the most musical? And which would have been most useful if you're a musician accompanying somebody, playing for a dance class, just keeping going with the orchestra? It doesn't need me to tell you. So when you're prioritizing the pulse, you need to count above all. Count, count, count. In this case, 3 beats per bar. 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. So there may be a limited amount of information I can process. So I'm going to focus on the left hand main beats. You can nearly always spot the main beat in the left hand. And I'm going to focus on the melody and leave out anything I can't process. So here is the third attempt. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and so on. So pulse, count, 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 count. Set the pulse in at the right speed so it can convey the music. The right speed to convey the musical spirit is vital. And focus then on the left hand main beats. Keep going with them whatever. And the right hand melody, and leave out anything that can't be processed in time.